Okay, 11.4, we're going back to those lines. The secant line that goes outside the circle. It goes like a chord and then extends outside. So this is the secant line. And then the tangent touches exactly 1 point outside. And in between them, they're going to form an angle here. And that angle, doubled, is the arc between them also. So, again, 2 times the angle is the arc. So kind of like the intercepted arc. So if you look at this practice problem, our angle here is 4x plus 16. Because it's right here. And then in between these 2 lines, there's an arc. So that's 120. And we know that 2 times the angle is the arc. So you just go through and solve it. You get 8x equaling 88, so x equals 11. And this one doesn't ask you to plug it back in, so that's it. So on the next problem, what I want you to do is label the angle and the arc. And this one, the arc, is going to be tricky to find, so just remember that. Pause the video and go ahead and write those down, and then check your work after you're done. Okay, the angle, that part is right here, 4x plus 16. And the arc is actually right here, which we don't know. But we know this other part, and together they make 360. So it's going to be 360 minus the part you know to get the pink part. That's our goal. So you actually end up getting, let's see, 352 minus 24x is our arc. So then it's just plugging in the formula. So go ahead and try that on your own and get x and plug it back into CD. And then after you get x, unpause the video and check your work. Okay, you should have 2 times 4x plus 16, or our angle, equals our arc. And then we get 8x plus 32 equals 352 minus 24x. So let's move the x's over, and let's move the numbers over. So x is 10. And then the measure of, we're finding CD. And CD was that pink equation we came up with. X, oops, sorry, runs in. So you just solve that, and you end up getting 112. Let me double check that really quick. Yeah, 112. So that's the measure of angle, or arc, CD. Make sure you put degrees there. And that's it for 11.4.